You can spend simply about any amount of cash on pay-per-click marketing. Some companies might see a rise from investing just a few $100s. However, plenty of big companies spend tens of thousands a month on pay-per-click. How much it costs to run an ad or promote your search engine result will depend primarily on just how much competition there is for your keywords. Keywords that lots of people are looking for, which numerous sites are attempting to be found for, will be more expensive, and lower competitors' terms will likely cost less. When you established a pay-per-click project, you will also have the ability to pick whether you want your ad or promoted results to be revealed to users all over the world, or only within a particular geographic area. Social network marketing. This consists of whatever a business does via social networks channels. Almost everybody recognizes with social networks, but online marketers need to approach social with an integrated and tactical technique. Social media marketing goes far beyond simply producing posts for social channels and responding to remarks. To be reliable, efforts need to be coordinated and consistent rather than an afterthought. Users will figure it out rapidly if there is no genuine person behind the posts. Social media online marketers ought to not be in a silo separate from other marketing functions. Social online marketers need to deal with the company's broader marketing group to coordinate their message throughout all platforms, online and off, so that every part of the brand is telling the same story. Another reason for marketers to be regularly measuring and tracking their projects is that this data allows online marketers to show to company leadership that their efforts are driving users to engage with the brand name and eventually transforming users into clients, for that reason providing more. It requires a mix of creativity and objective, data-driven strategy, and might be an excellent suitable for professionals who enjoy blending these two disciplines. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.